Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome to a new video. I hope you're all well. I am feeling good today, feeling good, okay? There's a lot going on in my life, but I'm feeling good about today. So I am going to be doing a very exciting video today. So we are actually going to be taking a look at a brand new brand on my channel which I have never used. Hey Schnugs. I've never used this brand on my channel. I'm so excited to try it out. So the brand that we're going to be looking at is Colourpop. Now, I've actually just ordered some new stuff from Colourpop, which I've never tried their brand before. And this has been quite a thing, okay? This whole ordering from Colourpop. And luckily, I've got a very good friend that has let me use it today. So it's a long story, but anyway. I have picked some new makeup, guys. I picked up 2 new products from Revolution as well, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss. So I'm going to show you guys, first of all, the palette that I picked up. So the palette I picked up is this one here from Colourpop. It's called Plush Like Me. It is very autumnal. It is so pretty, and just literally the packaging is just beautiful in itself, like absolutely stunning. So when you open the palette, this is what you are greeted with. Look at those colours, so nice. And then on the back we have got the shades as well, so beautiful. I also picked up a lipstick from them, so I picked up the Luxe lipstick in the shade Matte AF. So here is the lipstick, and yes, so excited for this. So I've actually tried the lipstick out and I love it, so I will show you guys what it looks like, but here is the packaging of that. Absolutely gorgeous, and it is the most beautiful colour ever. So nice. So let's go ahead and do some swatches. I'm going to swatch all of the mattes on one hand, all of the shimmers on the other hand, as I always do, and we can see what they look like. Here are the mattes. I mean, one blooming swatch, and here are all of the mattes. Beautiful, just absolutely stunning. Gosh, look at those. Absolutely stunning. Okay, let's go ahead and put all of this on my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and pop some of my concealer that I use. I'm going to prime my eyes with my normal, I need to go through these drawers today. I've had a little change around because I was finding that I wasn't having enough space in my bedroom. So I've had a bit of a change around in the whole background and stuff. So I hope you don't mind, but I really have a very tight and small space in my bedroom to film with because my daughter is in our spare bedroom. It's her bedroom now. So anyway, this is what I use for priming my eyes. So the reason I keep looking up there is because my monitor's up there, because I don't have any room anywhere else. I'm sorry about the dogs barking. Every time I film, the dogs bark. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this colour called Slip Dress, which is this orangey colour. And I'm just going to go in with a Oscar Charles brush. I got a load of brushes in PR, and this brush is beautiful. The C108 is so good for blending. It's a really good blending brush. Oh my god, the pigment. Are you joking? Okay, so I'm going to go in and... where's my mirror? I'm going to use my other mirror that I've got here actually, so I find it a lot easier. Okay. Wow, these just blend and just go on so nice. I love their formula. This is just beautiful. So wow, love that. Okay, so I would definitely say that you get so much pigment and you don't have to keep picking up products. Like, the pigment is just unreal. So yeah, really love that colour. I think it's very nice. Totally and utterly obsessed with Colourpop now. I'm obsessed. So I'm going to go into this colour here called Velour. It's like brownie nudie colour. And I'm just going to pop that on the outer bit and just deepen up the outer corner. And also kind of run it into my crease. So we're going really for a autumnal look because it's October. Love this so much. Okay, so I'm going to go in with something darker. So I want to go into this colour called Velvet One. This one here. And I'm going to pick that up with the same brush. And I'm going to pop that on the outer part of my eye. And bring it in a slight bit. That is beautiful. Oh my god, these colours, you guys. Okay, so now I've pat that on. I'm going to take a bit of another fluffy brush and I'm going to pick up that first colour I used. And I'm just going to use it to blend very lightly. Just so it doesn't look so harsh. I'm going to go in with some shimmers now. Okay, I'm going to go into this colour here called Knee Highs. I'm sorry, but look at the swatch. Unreal. Oh, wow. Oh my god, I can't cope with how beautiful. I mean, these shimmers are beautiful. So I'm going to go back into Slip Dress really quickly. A shimmer up to, oh, in the middle section there. Wow, she's just so pigmented. Oh, I mean, I have never picked up a colour in a palette before and just been able to just do one swipe and just get pure and utter pigment. Like, I've had to build it up, repack it on. I mean, no. Jade, you're right. You're so right. How amazing these are. Okay, I'm going to go into this colour called Throwback, which is a little bit of a lighter pink. And I'm going to pop that in the inner part here. And just blend and blend. Oh my. Oh. Oh my gosh. So nice. Stop. Can't deal. Can't deal. Okay, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to pick this colour up called TLC, which is a gold. You could do so many different looks with this palette. And I'm actually going to pop that in the inner corner. Oh my god. And I'm going to take it on just on the top of what we just did with the pink. I'm literally using like every colour and I want to create a very kind of ombre, which I think we have done. Yes. Oh my god, these shimmers. Hello, we're back. Wow, so obsessed. The lipstick is beautiful. I put a lip gloss over the top. I put the Aristocats one on because I just thought it needed a little gloss. I just felt like I needed some. But oh my god, you guys, the pigment is just unbelievable. I am utterly obsessed with Colourpop's formula. I think their formula is unreal. I'm blown away by this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you think, if you're going to go and grab it.